Okay. Division algorithm. Division algorithm is, suppose division algorithm is based on simple formula. That formula is P of x equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. Okay. P of x equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. Here P of x means nothing but dividend. Dividend. G of x is, you all know, G of x is called the divisor. Divisor. And Q of x is nothing but the quotient. And plus R of x. R of x is called the remainder of the polynomial. Remainder. Suppose five divided by 38 divided by 5. Here 5 is called the divisor. 38 is called the dividend. And this one is the quotient, and the bottom one is nothing but the remainder. So 5 sevens are 35. 38 minus 35, 3 is the remainder. So here 5 is called the divisor, 7 is called the quotient, and 3 is called the remainder. So dividend value 38, that equal to divisor value 5, quotient value 7, and remainder value 3. So 5 sevens are 35, 35 plus 3, 38. So it is verified. So now we have to analyze the concept P of x. Here P of x is nothing but this point, G of x is this one, Q of x is this one, and R of x is the remaining one. Okay. So let us consider an example for division process. Is this okay? Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Okay. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. There are some steps. Step 1. Step 1. First step. You have to arrange this polynomial in a regular polynomial format. First x square term, x term, constant, or cubic term, square term, single x term, and the constant term. That is the order for any polynomial for a division process. Okay. Okay. This is already in the format of regular polynomial. So first, what is the value here? 2x square. 2x square. And what is the value here? X divided by x. Here 2x square divided by x. Here x square means x into x. X square can be written as x into x. So one x will be cancelled. So the remaining one is 2x. And what is the remaining value here? 2x. So write down the 2x value here. 2x. Okay. Next one. So you should multiply this 2x by the g of x. What is the g of x here? X plus 2. 2x into x plus 2. Okay. 2x into x plus 2. 2x into x. 2x square. 2 x into x. X square. 2x in 2 into 2. 4. X is there. So write down the x here. So 2x into x. So 2 into here what is the quotient of x here? X. Quotient of x is 1. So 2 into 2. X into x. X square. Similarly 2 into 2. 4. There is no variable here. So directly write down this x here. Okay. This is the result is 2x square plus 4x. plus 4x. Okay. Now same division process. You should subtract the values here. Plus 2x square minus 2x square value 0. So 3x minus 4x. Plus and minus minus. So you should not consider this one. You should consider only this sign only. Plus 3x minus 4x. 3x minus 4x value. 3x minus 4x minus x. And the value is plus 1. Okay. So first step is over. Next go on to the second step. Step 2. So in the previous step 1, what we have to do? You should consider this one 2x square. Now in the second step process you should consider this one. What is the value here? Minus x. So minus x. And the same process. What is the value here? X. X. Okay. X cancel, that result is minus 1. Okay. Write down that minus 1 here. Minus 1. Okay. Next, what is the next step? You should multiply that one with g of x. So minus 1 into g of x value x plus 2. So same process. 2x multiplied with g of x. In the similar way, here minus 1 multiplied with g of x. So minus 1 into minus plus minus 1 into x minus plus minus 1 into 2 minus x minus 2 minus x minus 2. So minus turns to plus and minus turns to plus. Here plus turns to minus, plus turns to minus. Here minus turns to plus, minus turns to plus. So minus x plus x cancel. Plus 1 plus 2. Plus 1 plus 2 result is 3. Okay. This is the process of dividing the polynomial with another polynomial. So how can we verify the division algorithm based on this process? What is the division algorithm here? P of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. This is the division algorithm. P of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here what is the value of p of x? Here this is called the p of x. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is called the p of x. And g of x. G of x value is x plus 2. Now and this one is quotient. Quotient is nothing but the q of x. Q of x value is 2x minus 1. And the last one nothing but the remainder. You should all know that r of x value is 3. So let us verify. First we have what we have to do, multiply g of x with q of x. Okay. Now p of x value. P of x value is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Next g of x value x plus 2. Next q of x value 2x minus 1. R of x value 3. Okay. P of x value, g of x value, q of x value, r of x value. So you should verify the division algorithm. Now P of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay. P of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. What is the value of g of x? G of x value is x plus 2. X plus 2 into q of x value 2x minus 1 plus what is the r of x value here? R of x value is 3. So you already know that the multiplier of the factors. First one, second one. Second one, first one, second one, second one. This is the rule of common. X into 2x. X into 2x, 2x square. Okay. X into 2x. Or 2 is there. X into x, x square. Same process. X into 2x, 2x square. X into 1, x. So there are previous sign of x is plus sign, plus and minus, minus x. Next, so x is over. Next 2, 2 into 2, plus and plus, plus 2 into 2, 4x. Next, plus and minus, minus 2 into 1, 2 plus 3. So 2x square minus plus, here both are same terms, x term, x term. So you should multiply or subtract. So plus and minus, minus and plus, minus 4x minus x, 3x. Which is the largest one here? 4x. 4x sign is plus. So plus 3x. Same process. Minus and plus, minus. So 3 minus 2, 1. Which is the largest one? 3. 3 has positive sign. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1. This is the verification of division algorithm. Here what is the value of p of x? 2x square plus 3x plus 1. 2x square plus 3x. So here it is verified. Okay. Next move on to exercise 3.4. Okay. Exercise 3.4 in polynomials. So all are find the quotient, remainder and division of the each of the following process. So first what we have to do is you should divide each and every sum. So first I should consider 1. First sum. What is the value of p of x here? X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. First sum. First sum in first round. So p of x value x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. And what is the value of g of x? G of x value is x square minus 2. X square minus 2. Okay. Yeah. First you should verify whether all are in a regular format or not. So x cube term, x square term, x term constant. So it is verified. It is in regular format. Here you are also verified g of x also. G of x also first is x square term, next constant term. So it is also in regular format, but there is no x term. So there is no x term and so constant term is there. So this is also verified. So first step. What is the first step? You should divide x cube by x square. Step 1. X cube by x square. X cube means x into x into x into x. X square means x into x. So there are 3x in the numerator and 2x in the denominator. So only one x is there. So write down the x here. Write down the x here. So multiply. Next step is you should multiply this x with g of x. X into g of x value is x square minus 2. X into x square, x cube. X cube. X into 2, x. X cube minus 2x. X cube minus 2x. 2x. Here this term is x term. So you should write that only in the x format only. Minus 2x. Okay? X term. So don't write it in the below the x square term. So write in the x term only. Next one. Here plus turns to minus. Minus turns to plus. So plus x cube minus x cube cancel. Next, what is the term here? Minus 3x square. Next, plus 5x plus 2x. Plus 5 plus and plus 5x plus 2x 7x. Okay. So step 1 is over. Step 2. Step 2. What is the value here? Minus 3x square. Minus 3x square by what is the first term of the g of x? X square. X square cancel. The result is minus 3. Minus 3. So you should submit this value. Minus 3. Okay. Next. So multiply minus 3 with g of x. Minus 3 g of x value x square minus 2 minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus 3x square minus minus plus 3 into 2 6, so minus 3x square plus 6. Okay, minus turns to plus and plus turns to minus. Minus 3x square plus 3x square cancel and the answer is 7x minus minus 6, so answer is minus 9. So this is the process. So here the polynomial g of x is x square minus 2 and the q of x is x minus 3 and the r of x is 7x minus 9. Okay, so move on to the second sum. Second problem. P of x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, here first you have to verify whether it is regular format or not. Here x power 4 times x, there is no cubic term, so cubic term after x square term and x term constant, it is in regular format. Next move on to quotient, divisor. First x square term is there, next there is a constant, so you should not write constant in the middle of the polynomial. So write down the x term here, x square minus x plus 1. Okay, x square minus x plus 1, it is in the format. Same process. First step 1. Step 1, x power 4 divided by x square. X power 4 divided by x square. How many x are in the numerator? 4. Denominator 2. So that is equal to 2x are there. Write down the x square in the coefficient. X square. So multiply the x square with g of x. What is the g of x value here? X square minus x plus 1. So x square into x square, x power 4. X square into x, x cube. X square into 1, x square. X square into x square, x power 4. X square into x, x cube. X square into 1, x square. X power 4. So there is no cube term, so you should write down the. Leave the cube term here. Minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, so x power 4, next minus x cube plus x square. So plus turns to minus, minus turns to plus, plus turns to minus. Plus x power 4 minus x power 4 cancel. Next plus x cube. Next minus minus plus 3x square minus 3x square plus x square 4x square. So minus 4x square. Now 4x. So step 2. Step 2. What is the step 2? What is the value here? X cube. And the g of x first value is x square. X cube by x square. So only there are 3x and 2x are cancelled. Only 1x is there. So multiply x with g of x. X into x square minus x plus 1. X into x square, x cube, x into x square, x into 1, x. So x cube minus x square plus x. Okay. Plus turns to minus, minus turns to plus, plus turns to minus. Plus and minus cancel. Minus 4x square plus x square. Minus and plus minus 3x square. Largest sign is minus. 4x minus x, 3x. Now write down the 5 here. So plus x. Okay. Next, move on to the next step. Step 3. So here what is the first value here? Minus 3x square. Minus 3x square. And what is the first value in g of x? X square. X square cancel, the result is minus 3. Write down the minus 3 here. So multiply minus 3 with g of x. Minus 3 into x square minus x plus 1. So 3 into x square, 3x square. 3 into minus minus plus 3 into x, 3x. Minus plus minus 3 into 1, 3. So minus 3. Minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. Minus turns to plus turns to minus turns to plus. Minus 3x square plus 3x square cancel. Plus 3x minus 3x is also cancelled. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. This is the process for the second one. Here same process. G of x is this one and P of x is x square plus x minus 3 and R of x value is 8. Next, third sum. P of x value x power 4 minus 5x plus 6 and g of x value is 2 minus x square. So here are x power 4. Is there any cube term? No. So you should left one term. Similarly, there is also no x square term. So I write down the minus 5x here and write down the plus 6 here. Okay. X power 4. There is no cube term, there is no x square term, and the final one is minus 5x term and constant term. So now g of x. G of x is also writing the same order. First value is x square term minus x square plus 2 minus x square plus 2. So step 1. X power, what is the first value here? X power 4. X power 4 divided by minus x square. X power 4 divided by minus x square. That equals to minus x square. Okay? X power 4 divided by minus x square, that equal to minus x square. Write down the minus x square here. Okay? Multiply with minus x square with the g of x. Minus x square into x square minus x square plus 2. Minus minus plus x square into x square, x power 4 minus plus minus x square into 2, 2x square. So x power 4 minus 2x square plus turns to minus turns to plus. Plus x power 4 minus x power 4 cancel. So 2x square minus 5x. So simply write down the minus 5x here. Next, move on to step 2. Here, what is the first term here? 2x square. 2x square. And what is the value here? Minus x square. Okay? 2x square divided by minus x square. X square cancel. So that value is 2. Minus right now, the minus 2. Okay? Minus 2. So minus 2 multiplied with the g of x. G of x value is minus x square plus 2. Minus minus plus 2 into x square, 2x square. 2 into, sorry, minus plus minus 2 into 2, 4. 2x square minus 4. So simply write down the 6 also here. Okay, plus turns to minus, minus turns to plus. Plus 2x square minus 2x square cancel. The result is minus 5x plus 10. Minus 5x plus 10. We simply regarding the one thing. So here x square is the larger one compared to degree of this one. So whenever the degree of g of x is greater than the r of x, you should stop the process here. Okay. Very good. Next. Okay. Check whether in which case the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. What is meant by factor? When we divide this polynomial with this polynomial, the result, the r of x must be equal to 0. Nothing but remainder must be equal to 0. So whenever the remainder is 0, so g of x is the quotient of the p of x. So let us take first one. Consider this one, first sum. 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 minus 90 minus 12. Okay, what is the value here? T square minus 3. All are in the regular form. Degree 4 term, degree 3 term, degree 2 term, sorry, single term and constant term. So step 1. Step 1. So 2t power 4. 2t power 4 by t square. T square cancel. 2t square. Okay, there are 4 t's in the numerator and 2 t's in the denominator. So write down the 2t square here. So 2t square into what is the g of x value? T square minus 3. 2 square minus 3. 2t square into 2 square. 2t power 4 minus 2 into 3 6 t square. 6 2 square. 2 t power 4 minus 6 t square. So plus turns to minus, minus turns to plus. 2t power 4 minus 2t power 4, the value is 0. So write down the 3t cube. Plus minus plus minus. So plus which is the largest one? 6. 6 sign is positive. So write down the 6 here. 4t square. Write down the value minus 90. Okay, next what is the first term here? 3d cube. Step 2. 3d cube by g of x value is t square. Cancel, that is equal to 3t. Write down the 3t here. So multiply 3t with t square minus 3. 3t into 3t cube minus 9t. 3t cube minus 9t. Okay? Plus turns to minus, minus turns to plus. Plus 3t cube minus 3t cube cancel. Minus 90 plus 90 is also cancel. What is the result? 4t square. Now submit this value minus 12. Next one. 4t square divided by 2. Step 3. 4t square divided by t square. T square cancel. Value is 4. Write down the 4 here. Write down the 4 here. Multiply 4 with g of x. 4 into g of x value is t square minus 4. 4 into t square, 4t square, 4 into 3, 12. So 4t square minus 12 minus plus. Plus 4t square minus 4t square minus 12 plus 12 cancel. The result is 0. Hence t square minus 3 is the factor of this polynomial. Okay? Are you understand? So move on to the next step. Next, 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 12. X square plus 3x plus 1. Check whether this polynomial is a factor of this polynomial or not. So, step 1. What is the value here? 3x power 4. 3x power 4 divided by x square. X square cancel. Answer is 3x square. Write down the 3x square here. Okay. Multiply 3x square with g of x. 3x square into g of x value is x square plus 3x plus 1. 3 into x square 3. X square into x square x power 4. 3 into 3 9. X square into x cube plus 3x square. So 3x power 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. So plus turns to minus, plus turns to minus, plus turns to minus. So plus 3x4 minus 3x4 cancel. Plus and minus results minus 5 minus 9 minus 4 x cube. Minus minus plus 7 plus 3 10. Largest side is 7, that equal to 10 x square plus 2x. Okay. Now move to second step. What is the first value here? Minus 4x cube. Step 2. Minus 4x cube by x square. X square cancel, that equal to minus 4x. Write down the minus 4x. So multiply minus 4x with g of x. Minus 4x. What is the g of x value here? G of x value is x square plus 3x plus 1. Minus plus minus 4 into x cube. Minus plus minus 4 into 3 12x. Minus plus minus 4. Okay. Minus 4x cube minus 12x square plus minus 4x. Minus turns to plus, minus turns to plus, minus turns to plus. So this one and this one is cancelled. Minus and plus minus, that equal to minus 2x square. Sorry, plus 2x square. And this is 16x. Write down 6x. Oh, 6x here. Now move on to step 3. What is the step 3? Step 3. First value is 2x square by, and the here is x square. X square cancel. So 2 here. Write down that 2 here. So multiply 2 with this one. 2 into x square. 2 into x square plus 3x plus 1. Minus 2x plus 2x plus 2 only, okay. This is plus 2. This is plus 2, not 12. Okay. Plus 2 plus 2. Okay. 2 into x square. 2x square. 2 into 3. 6x. 2 into 1. 2. Submit. 2x square plus 6x plus 2. So minus minus minus. Cancel, cancel, cancel. So the result is 0. So x square plus 3x plus 1 is also the polynomial of 3x power 4 plus 5x2 minus 7. So do the third sum in your own style. So same process. That's why I didn't tell you.